I'm going to strip down this mains light fitting. This particular one has two switches that are independent. I took one off, unfortunately it fell apart, so I've now taken a second one out and been much more careful with it. Now that spring actually fits on the toggle switch that I will remove in a few seconds. Now I'm going to take out all the bits. A lot of them slide in as opposed to just pull up, so when you put it back together you need to slide it back in, except for those two seem to be in quite firm, but you've got to pull them up. So that's now empty. I'm now going to put the bits back in. And those two pieces are identical, except one goes up one way and one goes the other way. Now that slides in, and you've got to push it down. And this is the toggle switch itself, which fits in between the two at the front. Now I'll just put that piece back into the switch housing, and very carefully I'm going to tip it up and very carefully push it down, and then I'm going to put the screws in. And there are two screws, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you got value from this video then please share, like and subscribe. And if you want to see more DIY videos then please go on to my channel.